This is the Avantree Opera Plus. Wireless headphones for TV watching featuring Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity, HDMI ARC input, and a 2-in-1 transmitter charging dock. In this video, you will find these contents. Introducing the Avantree Opera Plus. Let's take a look at the Opera Plus's headphones. On the bottom of the ear cups, you'll find buttons and indicators. This is the power switch. You can use it to switch to TV mode or phone mode. Here are the volume buttons, along with the pairing button, the USB-C charging port. On the other side is the EQ mode button, the mute switch, and the 3.5mm aux port. On the transmitter, you will find the power and pairing switch. This LED indicator is for power and connection status. On the back of the transmitter, you will find the various input and output ports, including aux, optical, and HDMI ARC. At the top is the volume boost switch, and below that is the input format switch. At the bottom is the DC in port to power the transmitter. First, power the transmitter by connecting it to a wall outlet via the provided power cable and wall adapter. Power on the dock and the headphones by sliding the transmitter switch to on, and the headphone switch to TV. They'll automatically connect together, and the LEDs on both will turn solid blue. Then connect it to your TV's audio ports. You can choose one of 4 different ways to do this: HDMI ARC, optical, 3.5mm aux, and RCA. If your TV has an HDMI ARC out port, plug your HDMI cable into the transmitter's HDMI port in the input section. Slide the input switch to the HDMI ARC position. Then plug the other end into the TV's HDMI ARC port. If your TV has an optical out port, plug the provided optical audio cable into the transmitter's opt port in the input section. Slide the input switch to the opt position. Then plug the other end into the TV's optical out port. If your TV has a 3.5mm aux port, plug the provided 3.5mm aux audio cable into the transmitter's aux port in the input section. Slide the input switch to the aux position. Then plug the other end into the TV's audio out ports. If your TV has red and white audio out ports, plug the provided RCA adapter into the aux 3.5mm audio cable. Then plug the other end into the transmitter's aux in port in the input section. Slide the input switch to the aux position. And plug the RCA adapter into the TV's audio out ports. If you're connected to your TV via the optical out or HDMI ARC port, you'll need to configure your TV settings in order to receive audio. Go to the Sound Settings menu on your TV and make sure that your TV's audio out port is set to optical out, HDMI ARC, and the audio format is set to PCM or stereo. Please do not set the audio format to auto. If you have a soundbar or stereo AVR, you may connect it to the output port on your Opera Plus. It'll work simultaneously with the headphones. First, plug an additional optical or 3.5mm aux cable into the correlating audio port in the transmitter's output port. Plug the other end into your external sound system. Then you're good to go. Please note that you must use the same connection type to bypass the external speaker and your TV. For example, if you use an optical connection to connect the Opera Plus to the TV, you must also use an optical cable to connect the Opera Plus to your speaker. You can add a second pair of Opera Plus headphones to your setup. While your original headphones are connected, slide and hold the power switch on the transmitter to the pair position until the LED indicator flashes red and blue. On your second pair of Opera Plus headphones, slide the power switch to the TV position. If it's your first time using the headphones, it will enter pairing mode automatically. If not, press and hold the pair button until the LED flashes red and blue. Keep them close and wait for them to connect. Once connected, the LED indicators on the headphones and transmitter will turn solid blue. First, on your headphones, slide the power switch to the phone position. If it's your first time doing this, it will enter pairing mode automatically. and the LED will flash red and blue. If not, press and hold the pair button for 5 seconds to manually enter pairing mode. Next, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and select Avantree Opera Plus from the Bluetooth menu. Now you should be good to go. If you think this video was helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.